Guys, so this is the house of Kuya Sonny, the Lady Sam Residence. Ayan. Ang ganda nito guys. So, ayan yung bahay ni Kuya Sonny. Pinaka main house ni Kuya Sonny yan. Tapos andun yung garage nila guys doon. So, ayan. Ang ganda nito dito guys. Yan, ganda ng ano nila. Yung garden nila guys, garden. Tapos pupunta doon. Yun yung mga renting house ni Kuya Sunny doon guys. Madali daw. Yan, the garage. The house of Kuya Sunny. Guys, dito yung sila